At Detailing, and I'm away to take you through an in-depth process of wheel cleaning. These wheels have been washed on the car, they're now off in preparation for ceramic coating. So I'll take you through the process, demonstrating how we only need to use tap water pressure and chemicals. I'm not going to use the pressure washer for this, just to demonstrate that it's not about pressure, it's about the right use of chemicals and repetition until you get the results you want. So here we go. The three products I'm going to use for this process are DeTayling Citrus Pre-Wash, which is going to help us clean the tyres and remove any loose road grime. Fallout, which is going to remove bonded contamination. Followed up by Detailing Tar and Glue, which will remove any tar deposits that are left on the wheels. First up, Citrus Pre-Wash, which we're going to spray around the tyre and then agitate with a Geon stiff brush. The next stage is just to repeat the process. What you want to see is your foam turning white rather than brown. Once it turns white, you know your wheels or your tyres are clean enough to move on to the next stage. And repeat. Next step is fallout remover to remove any bonded contamination. Repeat as necessary until your fallout stops reacting. Once that happens, you can move on to the next step. And the final step is tar and glue. Now I'm going to use a microfiber for this, but apply the tar and glue to the microfiber. Otherwise, given it's a solvent, it'll evaporate. Use the microfiber and wipe. Don't rub, to ensure that all tar deposits are removed. So that's me now complete the external process of deep cleaning the wheels, which will be perfect for you at home using and following that process. There are a couple more steps for me to follow prior to installing the ceramic coating, which I'll do inside, but for the purposes of deep cleaning with our products there, you've seen that the process is effective, quick and easy.